Good morning, all of you. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. In this, now we are going to discuss about stability of the complex, whether it is low spin or high spin complexes. The problem given is the mean pairing energy and octahedral field splitting energy delta O of FeCN6 3 minus or 30,000 centimeter power minus 1 and 35,000 centimeter power minus 1 respectively. Whether this complex is stable in low spin or high spin, that we are going to discuss in this video. Very easy problem. As the previous video, first we are going to write the IUPAC name of the given complex FeCN6, how many minus? 3 minus. The oxidation state of iron is Fe3 plus. What is the name of this compound? HexacyanidO. HexacyanidO. Kappa C ferrate. Ferrate. Oxidation state 3. Ferrate 3 ion. HexacyanidO. Kappa C ferrate 3 ion. Central metal ion is Fe. Fe. The atomic number is 26. Electronic configuration argon atomic number 18, 20. Remaining we have 6 electron. That 6 electrons are filled in 3d orbital. But in the given complex, iron is in 3 plus oxidation state. Iron is in 3 plus oxidation state. Electronic configuration argon 18. We have to remove 3 electron, 2 from S, 1 from D. 2 from S, 1 from D. Therefore, 3d5, 4s0. 3d5, 4s0. After writing this, now I am going to fill up the 5 electron in d orbital, isotropic field or ligand field. We know there are 5 orientations of d orbital. They are 3dx, 3dy, 3dxy, 3dyz, 3dxz, dx squared minus y squared and dz squared. There are 5 orientations of d orbital and here you have 4s orbital. How many electrons we have? 5 electrons we have. So fill the 5 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3d5. First we have to calculate the electronic configuration in isotropic field. Electronic configuration. What is meant by electronic configuration? Arrangement of electrons in different orbitals is called isotropic. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration in isotropic field are also called Perry-Centered field. What is the formula? By knowing number of paired electron, we can calculate electronic configuration in isotropic field. Number of paired electrons. Number of paired electrons. That means n dash p equal to 0. There is no paired electron. Therefore, electronic configuration in isotropic field equal to formula n dash p into capital P is pairing energy. N dash p, number of paired electron equal to 0 into pairing energy equal to 0. This is E isotropic. Now we are going to calculate the crystal field stabilization energy. What is the formula used to calculate crystal field stabilization energy? CFSE, crystal field stabilization energy. Symbol delta EO, that is equal to, what is the formula? Electronic configuration of ligand field minus electronic configuration of isotropic field. Electronic configuration of ligand field minus electronic configuration of isotropic field. That is equal to, what is the formula used? Now I write the formula from this. Electronic configuration of ligand field, square bracket n into T2g, number of electrons in T2g orbital, into minus 0.4 plus number of electrons in EG orbital into 0.6 delta O plus number of paired electron into pairing energy minus number of paired electron in the isotropic field into pairing energy. This is nothing but E isotropic. Already we have calculated E isotropic equal to 0, that value we have calculated. Now the given complex, for the given complex we are going to calculate the crystal field stabilization energy for low spin and high spin complexes. First heading, for high spin complexes, how to calculate the CFSE? In high spin complex, no pairing takes place at first. No pairing takes place at first for high spin complexes. For low spin complexes, pairing takes place. For low spin complexes, pairing takes place. Correct? Now we have 5 electron in 3D orbitals. 5 electron in 3D orbital. How to fill electron in high spin complexes? That we are going to discuss first. We have 5 electron in d orbital. In high spin complexes, no pairing takes place. Therefore, according to Hund's rule, the electrons are entered into the different low energy and high energy orbitals. Now, I am going to write the electronic configuration for high spin complexes. Electronic configuration, arrangement of electron in different orbitals. How to write the electronic configuration? In T2g we have 3 electron. T2g we have 3 electron, and EG we have only 2 electron. EG we have only 2 electron. This is the electronic configuration. Now we are going to calculate the crystal field stabilization energy delta EO for high spin complexes. Formula, we know the formula. By knowing number of electron, we can calculate easily, starting with the square bracket. Number of electron in T2g 3, end minus 0.4. How do you get this minus 0.4? The energy decreases, total number of orbital 5, 2 points decreases, minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 gives 0.4 plus number of electrons in each orbital and here energy increases plus 3 by 5, that is nothing but 0.6 into octahedral crystal field splitting energy plus number of paired electron. There is no paired electron, 0 into pairing energy minus E isotropic already we have calculated, that value equal to 0 equal to, when you multiply 3 into 4 are 12 minus 1.2 2 into 6 are 12 plus 1.2 into delta octahedral plus these all the quantities becomes 0 minus 1.2 plus 1.2 equal to 0. Therefore, crystal field stabilization energy for high spin complex is 0. Like this, we have to calculate crystal field stabilization energy for low spin complex. Then we have to compare the two CFEC which has low spin, that is high stable. Low spin complex, you know, in low spin complex pairing of electron takes place. We have 5 electron in d orbital. With the pairing, if we fill the electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the 5 electrons are filled in T2G, triple E degenerate level. The electronic configuration, arrangement of electron in different orbital, the electronic configuration in low spin complex is T2G. T2G contain 5 electron and EG contain 0 electron. EG containing 0 electron. Now, we are going to calculate the crystal field stabilization energy of low spin complexes equal to, first, number of electron in T2G orbital is 5 and minus 0.4 plus number of electron in EG orbital 0 and 0.6 and crystal field splitting energy for octahedral complex delta O plus number of paired electron is 2, 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and pairing energy minus E isotropic, already we have calculated electronic configuration of isotropic field, pericentric field is equal to 0. Now, substitute the values, that is equal to 5 into 0.4 means 5 into 4 are 20 minus 2.0, this becomes 0. Outside of the complex we have delta O, that 1, 2 p, then that becomes 0. That is equal to, by using minus 2 into delta O plus 2 into p, by using the value of crystal field octahedral splitting energy is given in our problem. Delta O is nothing but 35,000 plus 2 into pairing energy is also given, that is 30,000 equal to 2 into 35 equal to minus 70,000 plus 2 into 3 are 6 plus 60,000 will give the answer minus 10,000 centimeter power minus 1. For high spin complexes, we have calculated the CFSE is 0. For low spin complexes, the value is minus 10,000 centimeter power minus 1, high spin 0, low spin negative value. So, negative CFSC value, that is minus 10,000, indicates that low spin complex is favorable. Low spin complex is favorable or favored. So now we come in conclusion that low spin complex is stable. Low spin complex is stable. Now you are going to write the result of all these. Nature of the complex. Nature of the complex. What is our complex? We know our complex is FeCN6 3 minus. The nature of the complex is low spin complex. Low spin complex. Low spin complex is also called spin paired complex. Spin paired complex. Already we have write the electronic configuration in low spin complexes. Electronic configuration in low spin complex is T2G5 and EG0. Electronic configuration in low spin complex is T2G5 and EG0. We already know that the number of unpaired electron that comes under the heading magnetic properties. Magnetic properties. In this heading, we have to write the number of unpaired electron and the magnetic moment. These 2 points should be indicated under this heading, magnetic properties. Number of unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electrons is equal to 1. Due to the presence of unpaired electron, the given complex is paramagnetic in nature, and hence it is paramagnetic in nature. Therefore, magnetic moment we have calculated. Magnetic moment from the number of unpaired electron, we can calculate the magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment is equal to mu s equal to formula root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. That is equal to n equal to number of unpaired electron, that is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 equal to root 3, that is equal to 1.732 Bohr magneton. The complex is paramagnetic in nature and also its magnetic moment value is 1.732. So, FeCN6 3 minus is stable in low spin complexes. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.